guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Zoeshaaa, and I'm with my little brother today who will be, can I see you? Come say hi to Jill.
Hi.
So my brother is going to be doing my makeup today. I don't really wear makeup like that or anything like that. Like I don't really wear foundation or anything like that, but I have laid out all my products on the table that I do, well, that I brought with me to Jamaica, at least for him to do like a little simple beat. So yeah, hopefully this goes well. Stay tuned and let's see how he does this. Okay,
ready? Okay, now one thing I tell you, and this me used to put on my lash, you're trying to put this in my eye. You understand? This is for scalp. If you put this in my eye, me can blind. You understand? And you use this, well, you don't necessarily have to use this, you can't use your hand, but where would you I'm not telling you anything else, but alright, go on, do your thing. Like I said, these are my lips, and these are everything. I don't necessarily use them all the time, but you must just you know, just do whatever. There's nothing wrong. Okay.
Let me just start off by putting this on, because you're not going to know where you need to put this on my face before my face mash up. This is called primer. Okay, this done. Now you have one less product to worry about.
I'm using blush.
You're using blush. Okay, and what are you gonna apply it to?
Cheek.
Okay.
I have an eyeliner.
This is from Ico London. This is I Do Liquid Liner. That's where I draw the line. Don't blind me, eh? Oh my god. Okay, come on, man. Tijio, subscribe. Oh my god. Like, well, you're really a clean right now. You're really a clean. Okay. It's okay if you want to use it from my brows, you can use it. I told you, just because it says eyeliner doesn't mean that's what it's for.
Even glue eyeliner.
This is in the color Ultraviolet, and you're going to be using it for what?
Those.
My eyebrows. He's going to be using Ultraviolet eyeliner for my eyebrows. Come, use it for my brows. Come man, come.
So,
Perfect edge there, my friend. See the cap here, see here. What you gonna use this for? So that. So that's what it is. Yeah, tell them.
Eyeshadow.
Yeah. Eye shade, eyeshadow.
I'm gonna use
If you don't see the name in the front, you can look on the back. You see all the information on the back.
Alright, I'm gonna use eyeshadow. Okay. I'm gonna use a NYX eyeshadow, the color Fireball, and I'm applying it under the eyes.
Oh, under the eyes. Aren't you fancy? Really? I do not have brother who can put eyeshadow under eye banta. But my brother put it under my eye.
I'm using a high definition concealer. The color shade is medium base, and I'm applying it just on the face.
Like all over? Wherever you feel like. Talk louder. Tell them now wherever him feel like he's going to apply it on my face. No, you put it on my face and you use that to.
Guys, I'm gonna apply her eyelashes. Hopefully nothing goes wrong.
Take your time, yeah? Take your time. You guys, how am I looking so far? Thumbs up this video if you think he's doing a good job so far. Looks like I'll be getting no thumbs ups. I'm afraid to open them. Well, where the lash there? Where is it? Leave it. Go on to the next one. Wow.
You're a fuck.
Because I opened my eye?
No, okay, move.
I did not move. Yo, can you make sure it's not in my eye? Okay. Is there anything else you're doing?
I'm using Avon mascara and I'm applying it to the eyelashes.
You're done?
Alright, yes, I'm finished.
Okay guys, so he's finished with my face. Comment below, let me know how you think he did. Can you run in there and get my mirror for me? Let me see what I look like.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
To be perfectly honest to you, I like how my lips look actually. I really like this lip combination. The sparkle thing don't look too bad around my eye. But the eyelash, to deal, you put the eyelash upside down. Tajil, you put the eyelash upside down. The eyelash is supposed to curve so. It's supposed to curve up so. Look on the lash, look on the eyelash, look on them, look on them. Look on them. You put it so. No, you put it like. What you I mean not even know. And the eyebrows look kinda decent too. Good at you. Good job, brother. Yeah. Alright. Come in the shot. Let's say our goodbye. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Brother does sister's makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I gotta go wash off all of this off my face now. And my brother won't be doing my makeup for a very long time. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time. Bye.
Players team has big up same way. You understand? Yeah. Zoe, I want players. Yeah.
Yes, sir.